Hi guys, let's discuss the performance of smart hedging report in the last 3 days and including today. Okay guys, so first of all you can see this is the overall result 6845 and this is the cent account. Okay, so if we go to the today's setting. Okay guys, before I speak anything further, so please note that the login passwords are given already in the description of this video. Okay, so investor password is already shared so that you can see that how the EA is performing. So if I go to the history of today, so you can see it is able to catch $35 from the market today. Okay, so this is the trading history from today and this is the live account and you can see the results here. Okay, so you can see that on AUD, USD and the other pairs how it has performed today. So this is the overall trading history. Okay guys, one good news, because if we look at AUDCHF here, then you can see the market was simply trending into the upward direction. So here we have seen the trending market and the expert advisor didn't get aggressive with this trending trend. If you look at here, then you can see the highest lot that it has used on a cent account was like I think so 1.68 and the other there was some, yes, 2.68, and then it has caught $11 from that trade as well. Okay, so 2.86, you can simply say that that was just like 0.03 on your dollar account. So guys, this EA works very good on the cent account as well as very good on the dollar account. The results are in front of you. Yesterday it was able to make, I think, I'm not pretty sure, but I think it was $30+ and today again $35 from the market. Okay, so this is the overall floating at the moment. That's the floating of $15 at the moment and the current trades are active and you can see it's not with any kind of high lot sizes. That's very reasonable, right? Okay, so this is about the cent account. Now let's move towards the dollar account, guys. Okay, so overall result, you can see this is the $70 floating that is going on the dollar account. And if we talk about the overall result, it is able to catch $391.75 in the last 3 days, because this account was started fresh with this EA after testing it. Okay, so guys, if we go to the custom period and if we find the today's history, then you can see today it was able to make $19.88 from the market. Let me show you today's history so that we can see is it dangerous or is it very good. So you can see 0.01, 0.03, 0.05. Okay, and there must be something. Okay, AUDCHF. Now guys, look at the trend on AUDCHF. Just look at this. It was a very big upward trend on AUDCHF, and what it has taken a lot maximum, that was simply 0.15. That's not aggressive. That's really good. I mean, this is with the hedge and martingale, and this is a very smart hedge and martingale. That's why its name is Smart Hedging Board, and you can see overall a very good return. Just $219.88. That's a very good return. Even within the trending market, even it has not used the highest lot size. Okay, so this is all about the today's analysis. So guys, the investor password is already shared in the description of the video, so you can check the description of the video. You can log in through your MetaTrader 4 in your mobile phones. Moreover guys, if you want to book the lifetime licenses of the Smart Hedging Board, you can contact me on info@200forexpips.com. You can also contact on Telegram, WhatsApp. All of the links are given in the description of this video below. Please like the video, subscribe the YouTube channel and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.